Bear Miller over at Son of Odin Seed Company and Genetics out of Oklahoma. You know, the big homie sent your boy something, said grow these, right? Right. You know how we do. Shout out to Team DWC because, hey, I tell y'all we DWC for a reason. We ain't playing with them. You see what I'm saying? Look at the ladies over here just enjoying their time. Like I said, we're running autos sent to us from the big homie. And we got Tent 2 knocking it out the park right now. They're just chilling and vibing. Because that's the good thing about autos. They're just going to do what they do. So, you just sit back and watch them for the most part. And as long as they look good and grow good, hell, you're going to smoke good, right? Right. Yes, sir. Clamp tip 2. Now, into the green room. Because I went out and got in them streets yesterday and didn't do that fucking work in here. So I still got to do that today. And then I still got some work outside to do. So, yeah, your boy gonna be busy, but hell, I might hit record when I'm doing some shit because you know how it goes. Anything outside can be on the cultivation channel, but anything inside got to be in here because you know how our plants are. They are age restricted, mature content. But it looks like this one has already started to flower. Like I said, they're autos. They're just gonna do what they do. They just gonna do what they do. Yeah, look at it. Is deep, balls deep in the flower. Like I'm just rocking out popcorn. Don't mind me. Appreciate what you do for me. See what I'm saying? He'll change your water out. Make sure you got some green stuff to keep you going. Look at that one, because that's also an auto. That's the only one that's not an auto back there in the corner. The rest of its homies apparently didn't make it. So, yeah, the plants in 10-1 look a little bit better because those were the first set of autos we did. Because y'all know we were germinating for a little bit. Then over here we got our strawberries. Looks like I got another one that I'm ready to pick off of there because it's all nice and red, right? Right, get him out of there. Cut him out. So let's see. Oh, they probably ready for some water. I had some more runners shooting, which is cool because I'm trying to fill in them other two spots on that spot of the freaking planter because it's only got two on those sides. I'm trying to fill in them other two spots with some runners that they was throwing. So I ain't too worried about them producing strawberries because they have produced strawberries. So therefore, I'm trying to fill in that pot and get that planter looking lush and flush because it'll be a display piece coming up. Because I already got clients that are waiting for consultations, but I just got to go pick them up. Hey, check it out. This is what we gonna do. All right. Thanks for coming through. Appreciate it. Shouts out to the lady at the bank because she already told me, oh, I would definitely like a consultation. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to book that one of these days, right? Right. Your boy don't be out here playing. We be out here making the moves. Shouts out to getting it in. Then, like I was saying yesterday, these three I need to change out their water. One, two, three, right here. I already know I need to change out their water because they ain't happy looking. So we're gonna get that done. And then everything else, when I check their water zones, they look decent. So I'll probably either just add some water and a little bit of CalMag to it, or just add CalMag. Depends on which way I'm feeling about it. But yeah, we got some work to put in. That'll be later on. Might make you a couple short videos for that. Shout out to them plant types. You know how we doing out here, rocking them. Rocking them. Yep, yep, yep. Then we got our money tree over there with our snake plant, a couple cactuses, because we keep them cacti around here. Yeah, we got desert types. This little one over here, I'm gonna have to get you in a freaking pot because you just been sitting in this cup on pause, which is good because it's like, I don't really feel like growing too much. Oh, I'm glad you didn't because I needed you to hold off. Don't run away too quick. I'll get you in